हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ निहारिका। तो आज का वीडियो देख के तुम्हें सनी पाजी की याद ज़रूर आने वाली है। Today's video is about a protein-packed meal that is healthy and lip-smackingly tasty. So let's get right into the video. To make the curry, we are going to need 4 hard-boiled eggs. Boil them for about 12 minutes and they shall be good. Now take a fine shredder and shred them. Let's move on to the curry. To make this curry, we need some oil. Add 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix these well till the paste starts popping. Now add 1 onion that is roughly chopped. Add in 1 tomato. Now for the spices, we will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of King Masala. Now cook the masala as well. Add half a cup of water and let it cook for a while. Add in some salt. Now we will add in the shredded eggs. Mix them well with the masala so that the flavors are incorporated. Add in half cup of water again to make a gravy. Close it with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Add some freshly chopped coriander. Let it cook for about a minute or 2 and that's it. Your shredded egg curry is ready to serve. Serve hot with any kind of bread, chapati or naan and it will taste as delicious as it is. If you like my recipes, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your family and friends. For daily updates, follow me on Instagram.